Stacey, and welcome back to our last night of holiday eating strategy survival guide. Tonight, I really want to talk to you not so much about ingredients and recipes and the food that we're making, but I want to talk about the entire experience and the food that you're eating and really help you to be able to enjoy this season, right? In particular, Thanksgiving. Now, it's overwhelming. There's a lot of food on the table. There's so much stuff, and you don't know sometimes what you can have, or you definitely know what you can't have. And there's so much stress with that, right? It's like, first and foremost, I think the most important thing is I don't want you to stress over what you can't have, okay? I mean, it becomes like a sore toe. All you do is think about it and it hurts more and more and more. So if you only focus on the chocolate pie you can't eat or whatever it may be, it's going to ruin the whole experience for you, right? So just let it go. Engage with the people around you. Really, that's what the holidays are all about. They're all about getting together and sharing the love and being thankful and, you know, maybe make it a point to do something at your Thanksgiving feast to get your mind off of the food. And maybe before you even go out to your meal, think of everyone who's coming that you're aware of and pay a gratitude to each one of them. And even if there's somebody there you don't know, you can find something you're grateful for about them or some sort of a compliment you can pay. So remember, it's not just all about the food. But when it does come to the food, of course, number one, don't go to the dinner starving, because you know what happens when you're starving. You just blow it out the window, right? So make sure you have a big glass of water or a little approved snack or something before you show up for dinner so that you're not tempted to heap stuff on your plate. All right. Now, talking about heaping stuff on your plate. First of all, if you can, take a smaller plate. Maybe if there's appetizer plates out, take that for your main plate. If that makes you feel a little self-conscious, okay, I get it. But you know what? Then take a teaspoon and serve yourself your meals with a teaspoon, not the giant serving spoon that's on the platter, right? Because you'll take a lot less. So be conscientious about what you're eating. Be conscientious about what you're drinking. And remember, we talked about cocktails, and please, if you can, stay away from the alcohol, because the number one thing alcohol does is throw your judgment out the window. And the last thing I want for you to do is Friday morning to be beating yourself up because of what you ate. Now, if you do wind up splurging a little bit, you do wind up going off program, please don't beat yourself up, because again, that doesn't do you any good either. Own up to it, be conscientious about it, suck it up, maybe go take an extra walk the next day, knowing that you got some work to do to put yourself back on track and program, but it's okay. Remember, this isn't life or death. It's about enjoying the holidays, being really smart about the food that you're eating, and just enjoying the season. All right, so that is our last tip for tonight, your holiday survival guide for getting to the table, nourishing yourself, and nourishing those that you love around you as well. I'm Stacey Hawkins. Of course, if you like this video, please share it with your family and friends. And if you have not already done so, sign up for the newsletter. The link is below. And if you'd like more recipes or ideas, the website is below as well. Now, tomorrow, Saturday, we're also going to talk turkey. If you are wondering about what the best way to roast a turkey is, we're going to talk about brining. We're going to talk about some of the science behind turkey. Then please join me here tomorrow and we'll talk turkey. If not, I hope you have a great Thanksgiving if I don't see you before then, and enjoy this holiday. Thanks, everybody. Have a great evening. Bye.